But Kunal, hi morning. Seems like we don't need any global market support. We're chugging along nicely in our own momentum.
Well, absolutely, yes. And even the last 3 days, the intraday dip for the indices is definitely visible. But then it doesn't, stop the indices to make a fresh high for itself. The best data point to look out for is in terms of the options, data point where you've seen very strong, confident built up from the 24,300 to 200 strikes on the put writing. That indicates that at the money put writing has started off for the indices, and this indicates that traders are confident that the indices would probably hold on to these key levels on an intraday basis, and any of the dips or corrections closer to that 24,200 mark is generally taken as a good buying opportunity. We've seen the advance decline ratio a bit more staggered yesterday. So, for example, you saw in terms of sectoral churn, the pharma stocks doing pretty well. Many of the defensive sectors like IT and a few of the FMCG stocks, they started to look a bit more attractive. There was mild recovery for many of these names. But then when you look at this in terms of the overall last 1 or 2 weeks pattern, we've just gone through a classic sector churn. Yes, the sector churn has been a lot more consistent, because we've seen every now and then, every other day, a new sector starts to participate. But that's what keeping the market trend a lot more buoyant. 24,200 on an intraday basis could now act as a good support, and in case if the index dips down to that level, I think it could be a good buying opportunity for intraday traders.
Nooresh, yesterday was all about IT, pharma. Which sector are you leaning on?
So pharma looks promising. Earlier, it was only the small cap and the mid cap pharma which was breaking out. So we had looked into Granules, which has done well. Now you have a Laurus Labs, which is getting closer to a breakout. You had a Natco Pharma and various small cap, mid cap pharma doing well. But we started seeing large cap pharma do well yesterday. We've seen a Lupin breakout. We've seen a Sun Pharma breakout of a 2-week, 3-week range. And the whole structure of the Nifty Pharma Index also looks very promising. So it could be pharma, which could now be in the rotation going forward for the next maybe a couple of weeks.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.